Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Here we go again. Yes, this is an Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man Pure Perfume. This one came out just about 3 to 4 months ago. It's a 2021 version, and as it says on the box, is a pure perfume, and it's 150 ml. In the UK you can buy it for £50. I'll leave in the description where you can find it for the cheapest. Hopefully, I'm not affiliated, I don't get anything out of it, just for your convenience. I paid £50 for this myself, so unless I mention somebody send me a perfume, I always buy it with my own hard-earned cash money. And this one is I know it's crazy, isn't it? It's madness of Creed Aventus carries on. This one is as far as I can tell, Armaf in their wisdom decided to release this one this year. 150 ml pure perfume version, and I heard, I'm not sure how true it is, they are going to discontinue everything else in the Club de Nuit Intense Man line. So right now they have EDT, they have EDT non-alcoholic, they have Eau de Parfum, they have limited edition Parfum, and this is the pure perfume. So 5 in the line of Club de Nuit Intense Man by Armaf. It came out in 2015, the original one, the Club de Nuit Intense Man original 2015. I had a bottle, I reviewed it back then, and it was a bomb. It was huge, it was very popular. Some people didn't like it because it has a very harsh opening. I personally loved it, and since then I probably went through about, I don't know, 5-6 bottles easy. I like the DNA myself. Some people don't like it, some people don't care for it. I understand that. These videos are there for information, they are there for guidance, they are there to give you a hint, they're here to put you in the right direction. So I'm not telling you to go and buy these things. No way. I'll never ever, in any of my video, I have about 400 videos, and if you look at all of them, I never ever said go and buy this or blind buy this or this is must have or something like that. No, I always say, listen, it depends on you. You should try it before you buy it, and if you like these kind of things, then this is good for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's go through this. Let's do the unboxing. As always, the box is a standard CDIM, Club de Nuit Intense Man by Armaf. Sorry about the noise, you can't do anything about it when you do unboxing. Okay, so a standard box, very similar to others. The only difference here is embossed, says Club de Nuit Intense, I think. Yeah, Club de Nuit Intense. That's the only difference from the other boxes. And here you got the logo of authenticity. You have the batch variation, and this one, it says made in France. The batch is end of 2020, so this is end of 2020. This is the December 2020. So as I said, this is a version for 2021, but obviously they released it very late in 2020. Okay, so let's open the box. As always, this thingy comes with it, which I don't care about it at all. And then we go to the bottle. Oh, come on, what's happening? Why you complicate things, Armaf? Okay. So for now, I'll just put it down there. I'll put it back later. Alright, again, the dangly thing is there. Heavy bottle. It says Club de Nuit embossed here. The cap same, heavy glass. The atomizer is black. This is 150 ml pure perfume. So let's go and see how these sprayer. Very good sprayer. Okay, so far so good, as we expect from Club de Nuit Intense. Everything is there as it should be and is huge. Is filling the room. Oh, that is strong. I don't need to bring my hand. Oh my goodness, that is strong. Okay, so as you can tell, the opening is hugely strong, is big, and this is because it's pure perfume. When they say pure perfume, I don't understand what they mean exactly, because pure perfume, in terms of, well, not legal, but in terms of in the perfume world, in the perfume industry, pure perfume could mean few things. Could mean pure perfume oil, which is, this is not, because this is not oil at all. It could mean extract de parfum, which is around 30 to 35% oil concentration, plus the carriers, which sometimes they use alcohol, ICE super, unboxing and things like that. Or it could mean even higher concentration. So your guess is as good as mine, but as I can smell it right now, is very strong. So it's much stronger than EDT, definitely. Is much stronger than EDP, definitely, and is much stronger than limited edition Parfum, definitely. Whoo, is big. So as you can expect, this is a typical CDIM smell, which is Creed Aventus inspiration, clone, copy. But I can smell something a little bit herbal in there. Okay, it's very interesting. So it is a typical Armaf CDIM, but a little bit herbal for some reason at the moment, right now, in the beginning, in the first impression. But as I said, it's huge. So it's very strong. If you put it too close to your nose, it will basically burn your nose. It's so strong. So right now, first impression, Pure Parfum by Armaf smells very close to other Armafs. Club de Nuit Intense Men, almost identical. The only difference is this one is much stronger right now, at least. I don't know about the longevity, anything like that. I will let you know in the next video, longevity, if it changes, and all good things. But right now is very big and is very strong, but is very smooth in the same time. Very smooth, is like buttery smooth. So there is no harshness, there is no syntheticness. I mean, obviously it's synthetic, you know, because this is not a natural oil. If it was a natural oil, it would have cost you much more than this. But it doesn't smell chemical, if you like. Okay, so right now it smells good, it's very smooth, it smells very strong, and it doesn't smell chemical. But gorgeous. I love DNA of Creed Aventus, and this is obviously is DNA of Creed Aventus. If you like this DNA, if you like copies of Creed Aventus, this is so far, in the beginning, in the first impression, is very impressive for Armaf. I will let you know again everything in the development. I'll let you know later. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let other people in the comment know. That would be useful for other people to read your experience. Thank you very much for joining me. If you find this video entertaining, useful, if you find it informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you later. Bye.